guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're at the Hux World, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch. I'm very excited about it. Went down to Best Buy, picked this up. I will leave a couple of links in the description where you can go and check this out. And I'm telling you, I think it's nice. I think it's going to be okay. I think we're going to like it, but we're going to play it for a little while. Now, we did get the 46mm. We got to go big because we can't see and we need to be able to see the information that we're reading on the Galaxy Watch. Very nice Samsung Galaxy Watch. I like the presentation. I actually like this watch face too as well. It's Bluetooth. It's not the LTE version at all. And it says long battery life, which we're going to do extensive testing on that to bring you the important information that you need to know. Also, auto fitness and wellness tracking. You have 35 plus workout activities, and you also get it 5 ATM. You can swim up to 50 meters, water resistant. You're good to go. If you're going to be swimming in the pool, you're going to be hanging out. This is going to be the smartwatch to buy. Now, we're going to open it up and let you see what comes in the package. This also comes with Wi-Fi, just in case you wanted to know. But I cut the tabs already to make for a quicker video. All right, and here she is. She's looking pretty good. Like it. Let's take this out really quick so you can take a look at it. It seems like it has a little bit more weight than the Gear S3 Classic that I have. So let's put this to the side real quick. We know that there's some other things that come in the box. All right, put that to the side. We got one side. Looks like we got two sides of accessories that goes with this. Now this is going to be your charger, of course. Looks just like the other one. Matter of fact, almost exactly. This one has a slight better looking design. I kind of like this one. So I'm quite sure it'll work for both watches. We're going to test that too as well. Let's put this to the side. What else comes in here? And of course you get your cord. Let's see what this is. This is going to probably be your USB. Yep, it's micro USB. It's not USB Type C at all. So that sucks, but it's okay. At least they give us a cord to go with it. We don't have to keep taking it out. I got plenty of cords now, especially since I got the wireless charger duo, which is for the missus anyway. Okay, here's the charging brick. Make sure you use this exact brick with this charger. You don't want to use anything else. Don't do that. And of course, you get the instructions. Came right out, right? Along with the band. But yep, your quick start instructions for those of you all, if you got a smartwatch for the very first time, you might want to check this out. So do not throw this in the garbage. Put it back in the box. All right, and of course we got one band. I remember the last time I did a video on it, I'm looking for two bands, but they don't give you two bands anymore. They only give you one extra one, which is okay because I'm going to probably change out the bands anyway. So look out for some videos on bands. But we only want to bring you the very best. So if it takes me a minute to find some and to bring a video about, be patient. All right, you all, that seems like that's going to be about it. And let's take a look at the watch. I'm liking it, people. I think this is going to grow on me. This is different with the two-tone. You got the lugs. We're going to go ahead. We're going to set this up. This looks really, really shiny, especially compared to the Gear S3 Classic, people. All right, I'm going to pause the video. Just hang tight for a few minutes, and we'll be right back after we set this up. Okay, you all, we got it all paired up. We're good to go. We're ready to show this puppy off. Now, I'm going to tell you right in the door this, and this video is going to do it justice. I like this, right? It doesn't look bad in person at all. But we're going to take a closer look at it and let you just take a gander at what this thing is bringing to the table. Now, first off, I love the band. I like the way the band looks. Very light, very flimsy, and it feels pretty good on the wrist. I'm liking this, right? And also you're going to get the disconnect pins, the quick disconnect pins here, easy to take off, easy to put on. And if you look at the heart rate monitor, it's designed a little bit differently. Maybe it has something to do with the waterproofing, who knows, but it still works. Now, looking at the watch, I'm telling you, this is a blending of the species. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm talking about real quick. Let's take a look at it. First of all, look at the button placement, which I love. It adds a little bit of elegance to it. I like the flat. It's not going to poke into my finger like my Classic does. And it looks good. That came from the Frontier. The top color came from the Frontier, right? But if you look at the ridges came from the Classic, and I'm going to show you right now. Exactly the same. This came from the Classic. So this is why I'm saying a blending of the species. The casing came from the Classic as well. So that's what they did. They took the two, they put it together, and this is what we got. I still wish they had gave us a silver version and a black version, but again, it is what it is, right? But it's still a nice looking smartwatch overall. I see where they're going with it. You know, you get silver, black, silver, but not bad. I like the look. But the lugs, 22 millimeter. Again, the watch size, 46, baby. I gotta have it big, I gotta see, and this works for me, right? So let's take a look around the UI. Now, it's gonna be just like that of what you have on the Gear 3. Now, for those of you all who don't know, your notifications are on this side. If you swipe over here, you got widgets. Now, I'm thinking widgets are one of the best things that could have ever been put on a smartwatch because they give you quick shortcuts, right? And you got a lot of shortcuts that you could set if you so choose. You don't have to go through the application, and if you want to add more, you can add more. So this is not bad. I'm liking this look. It's the same as what I got on the Gear 3. The only different on the Classic, let me say the Classic. The only difference is that the UI has a little change in it. It looks a little bit different compared to that of the Gear 3 Classic. And we're gonna do a comparison between the two, so look out for that video as well. But it looks nice. It's fluid, pretty fast. Not bad, right? Let's take a look at the watch faces. Now, these are the watch faces. Now, some of them I like that one, and we're gonna have to talk to the developers because I like to be able to customize my watch faces as well, right from the watch, but more so from the phone itself, right? Let's take a look at some of the watch faces. Can you see them? Right there, should be good. I like that one. I like that one. We're gonna do a review on these watch faces, take a closer look. I got some from the other one. I like this one. It's not bad. And that's it. And then you can go into, of course, the Galaxy app right from here. It's not bad at all. So we're not going to go that far. We just wanted to take a quick, closer look at this watch. And I'm thinking it's nice. Let's take a look around the rotating bezel. Because some people may not know, or they're thinking about getting the Gear 3, may not necessarily be the Galaxy watch, right? But yeah, this is your rotating bezel. It works the same as that of the Gear 3, the Gear Sport, the Gear 2. It is the same. Nothing's different about it. But let's take a look at this version. Let you see what it's running. All right, about watch. We're going to tap here. We're going to go to, of course, software. It's running Tizen 4.0, people. Now, what 4.0 brings to the table, that remains to be seen. Again, we're going to bring you back the full review. I thought this was a pretty nice look. It's not bad at all in person. I like it thus far, people. I like it thus far. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Again, before I go, for those of you all who don't know, it still has the speaker. Gotta have the speaker on this thing. Anyway, I'm done rambling. But listen, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Look for the full review. And we also got a review coming up on the Galaxy Note 9, so look out for that one as well. All right, you all, have a great weekend. I'll see you at the next one.